Bottom line is you could drop the lung and we'll never know, you know, and nor unless it's in the subacute space. So here's a pneumothorax and the needle would come in right here and you would be effective. But is this a tension pneumothorax? The answer is no. This is contusion in the back, atelectasis, okay? So this is fine. You don't need to decompress this. Normal lung. No breath sounds on this side. Bad contusion. It's already building up by the time you get there. This is one of those things that physiologically get worse as you get there, and in 5 minutes you have a bad pulmonary contusion. So you shouldn't decompress this. And I want to show you the X-ray that says there's no breath sounds. Okay? So, all right. So just think twice about that. All right, antibiotics, forget that. All right, any other questions? All right, so hand out the test papers. All right. Thanks, guys.